everybody, Brad the Builder here. Today we're going to be installing Woodtone's 1x6 fine line in the beautiful smoky bourbon. Tongue and groove products are easy for anyone to install and are perfect for finishing off kitchens, bedrooms, and porch ceilings with style. Our fine line and traditional products are end matched, which makes installation easier and keeps your costs low by minimizing wasted product. Our pre-finished materials are great for interior or protected exterior applications and arrive ready to hang without the need for on-site painting. Make sure to acclimatize the product where it will be installed for 5 to 7 days. Fine line and traditional can be installed in place or over top of drywall. Be sure to check your local building code when eliminating drywall. If you're installing over drywall, use a stud finder to map out your nailing pattern. Next, you'll measure twice and cut once. Use a brad nailer to blind nail into the tongue so that your nails are not visible after installation. Because of the end match, you won't need to end your cut on a stud. Continue on until the wall or ceiling is complete. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time.